Get ready to embark on a journey to paradise as we explore the luxurious villa, premier, boutique hotel, and romantic getaway in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. This adults-only oasis is the perfect escape for couples seeking tranquility, elegance, and personalized service. Nestled in the authentic 5 December neighborhood, this 4.5-star gem offers a beachfront experience that will leave you breathless. Let's start our tour with the accommodations that await you at Villa Premier. With approximately 80 guest rooms spread across 7 levels, this boutique hotel offers a variety of room types to suit every taste. From cozy standard rooms to spacious suites, each accommodation is designed with comfort and style in mind. Picture yourself waking up to stunning ocean views or lush garden vistas from your private balcony or terrace. The rooms are adorned with modern decor, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that perfectly complements the tropical surroundings. One standout option is the spa suite, boasting a generous layout of over 50 square meters. These suites feature separate sitting areas, perfect for lounging after a day of sun and sand. But the luxury doesn't stop there. All rooms come equipped with amenities to enhance your stay. Imagine starting your morning with a freshly brewed espresso from your in-room machine, or staying connected with complimentary Wi-Fi access in public areas. Air conditioning ensures you'll always be comfortable, even on the warmest Mexican days. And let's not forget the daily housekeeping service, keeping your sanctuary spotless throughout your stay. For those who like to mix business with pleasure, a desk and phone are available for any work needs. But let's be honest, with views like these, you might find it hard to focus on anything but the beauty surrounding you. Some lucky guests might even snag a suite with direct pool access or included spa amenities. Talk about living the dream. Now let's talk about dining, because Villa Premier knows how to satisfy even the most discerning palates. The hotel boasts 3 dining venues, each offering a unique culinary experience. The main restaurant is an elegant beachfront affair, focusing on fresh Mexican cuisine with international influences. Imagine savoring mouth-watering ceviche or perfectly grilled fish while gazing out at the sparkling ocean. It's a feast for all your senses. For those lazy pool days, the poolside bar is your go-to spot for refreshing cocktails and light snacks. Sip on a signature margarita as you soak up the sun. Now that's what vacation is all about. As the day winds down, head to one of the intimate bars or lounges for a pre-dinner aperitif or a nightcap. With a wide selection of spirits, including an impressive array of tequila-based drinks, you'll find the perfect libation to suit your mood. One of the best parts? You don't need to pack your tuxedo or evening gown. The dress code at Villa Premier is resort casual, so you can keep it comfortable yet stylish. And while reservations are recommended during high season, guests often report easy availability due to the hotel's intimate size. To add a little extra magic to your dining experience, keep an ear out for live music performances that often accompany meals, especially in the evenings by the pool and bar areas. Speaking of pools, Villa Premier doesn't disappoint in the aquatic department. The hotel features multiple pools, all designed with adults in mind. These tranquil oases are perfect for lounging, swimming, or simply floating your cares away. Comfortable lounge chairs and umbrellas are provided, ensuring you can relax in comfort, whether you prefer sun or shade. And let's not forget the attentive poolside service. Guests rave about staff members like Paul, who goes above and beyond to ensure your glass is never empty and your needs are always met. But the water fun doesn't stop at the pools. Villa Premier boasts a prime beachfront location along Puerto Vallarta's sandy shores. While the exact length of the beach isn't specified, you'll have plenty of space to stroll, sunbathe, or take a refreshing dip in the ocean. Beach services include complimentary loungers and towels, so you can travel light and still enjoy all the comforts. For the more adventurous, water sports activities can be arranged through the concierge, allowing you to add a splash of excitement to your beach days. Now let's talk about pampering, because Villa Premier takes relaxation seriously. The hotel's full-service spa is a haven of tranquility, offering a range of treatments designed to soothe your body and mind. While specific details about the spa facilities aren't readily available, you can expect the usual suspects like massages, facials, and body treatments. Imagine melting away stress with a beachside massage, the sound of waves providing a soothing soundtrack to your bliss. For those who like to stay active even on vacation, the 24-hour fitness center has got you covered. Equipped with standard cardio machines and weights, it's perfect for maintaining your workout routine or working off those extra margaritas. While specific classes aren't mentioned, the round-the-clock access means you can squeeze in a workout whenever the mood strikes. One of Villa Premier's standout features is its adults-only policy, ensuring a peaceful and romantic atmosphere throughout your stay. This exclusivity means you can enjoy the pools, beach, and dining venues without the sounds of splashing kids or rowdy families. It's the perfect setting for couples looking to reconnect or friends seeking a sophisticated getaway. While the hotel doesn't offer specific kids' clubs or activities due to its adults-only nature, it more than makes up for it with its focus on creating a serene, couple-friendly environment. Instead of family-oriented amenities, you'll find touches designed to enhance romance and relaxation at every turn. When you're ready to explore beyond the hotel grounds, you'll find yourself perfectly positioned to experience the best of Puerto Vallarta. The famous Malecon Boardwalk is just a short 0.8 kilometers stroll away, offering a vibrant mix of art, dining, and nightlife. The charming romantic zone beaches are within walking distance, perfect for a change of scenery or a romantic sunset walk. For those looking to venture a bit further, Marina Vallarta is about 6 kilometers away, an easy taxi ride that opens up a world of shopping, dining, and yacht-watching opportunities. And don't miss the iconic Los Muertos Pier, less than a kilometer from the hotel, offering stunning views and a glimpse into local life. Transportation is a breeze, with taxis and rideshares readily available. And if you're looking to explore further afield, the hotel's concierge is always on hand to arrange tours and excursions, from boat trips to fishing charters. Now let's talk about what really sets Villa Premier apart from other hotels in the area. First and foremost, it's the intimate, boutique atmosphere that you simply can't find at larger resorts. With only 80 rooms, you'll never feel lost in the crowd. The staff-to-guest ratio allows for truly personalized service. Don't be surprised if the bartender remembers your favorite drink or the concierge greets you by name. The hotel's location is another major plus. Situated in the authentic 5 December neighborhood, you're close enough to the action of downtown and the romantic zone, but far enough away to enjoy peace and quiet. It's the best of both worlds, easy access to Puerto Vallarta's vibrant culture and nightlife, with a tranquil retreat to return to at the end of the day. While Villa Premier doesn't boast extensive conference facilities, it does offer intimate spaces perfect for small gatherings or events. Imagine hosting a destination wedding with the stunning backdrop of the Pacific Ocean, or a small corporate retreat where business and pleasure blend seamlessly. The hotel's attention to detail and personalized service ensure that any event, no matter the size, is executed flawlessly. Guest experiences at Villa Premier are often nothing short of magical. Many visitors rave about unexpected touches that made their stay memorable. One guest mentioned returning to their room after dinner to find rose petals scattered on the bed and a bottle of champagne chilling, a surprise anniversary gift arranged by the attentive staff. Another told of how the chef prepared a special meal to accommodate dietary restrictions, going above and beyond to ensure every guest feels cared for. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.